Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling precise documents: the sale deed's registration number, date and registry office, a valid photo ID, and 2 passport photos. Once done, make clear copies and note exact property identifiers like survey number and tax receipts so you don't pause at the office. Go to the relevant registry's counter or website with payment ready. No application form name and fee amount. You start now to avoid delays, collect originals, photocopies, and contact info for the registry. You fill the official application carefully. Enter the registration number and deed details exactly as on record, because errors cause rejections. Then, choose payment method, cash, card, or online, and retain the receipt and transaction reference. This proves submission. Attach self-attested copies plus originals for verification and request an acknowledgement slip or reference number. Make sure to note the estimated processing time. If applying online, upload high-resolution scans and verify you collect the certified copy in person or download it using the reference ID. Inspect the copy immediately. Check stamp, official seal, signatures, and that names, dates, and registration numbers match the original deed, because mistakes are costly. If the registry reports a delay, track your application with the acknowledgement ID and contact the clerk. Escalate with a written complaint only after 15 days. Keep payment receipts and a scanned backup. This saves time if you must reapply or prove submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.